Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Eva Aprianti from 3C English Education Department. The number of people suffering from coronavirus infection or COVID-19 in Indonesia continues to increase and is increasingly concurring. Reduce the possibility of spreading the coronavirus, which is easily contagious. The Indonesian government and the World Health Organization or WHO encourage the public to maintain a safe distance from others through physical distancing. What is meant by physical distancing? Okay, I will try to explain what is meant by physical distancing itself. Physical distancing is an effort made to control the spread of coronavirus infection and to prevent COVID-19. When undergoing physical distancing, you are asked not to travel to crowded places, for example, malls, restaurants, markets, as well as gyms or fitness centers. As much as possible, avoid using commuter lines, busways, or other public transportation that is crowded with passengers. You also need to limit direct contact, such as shaking hands and maintaining a safe distance of at least 1 meter when interacting with other people, especially if that person is sick or at high risk of being infected with the coronavirus. In practice, physical distancing can also be done in the following ways. 1. Do not leave the house except for important matters such as paying basic necessities or taking medicine when sick. 2. Treat others with a wave of hands, not by shaking hands. 3. Work or study from home. 4. Take advantage of cell phones or video calls to stay connected with relatives and coworkers. 5. To exercise at home, not a sports center or gym. 6. If you want to shop for daily necessities, to eat outside of peak hours. 7. As required delivering goods or food to make contactless delivery, taking orders without meeting the caller directly when ordering food or other items. 8. Postpone visiting other people or going home, especially in the upcoming month of Ramadan. And last, maintain sitting in distance in school or office environment. Is physical distancing the same as social distancing? Previously, this effort to limit distance from other people was known as social distancing. It just that, some time ago, WHO recommended replacing the term with physical distancing. The reason is that it is feared that the use of the term social distancing could be misinterpreted by cutting off communication or social interaction with family and relatives. In fact, social interaction also has an important role in the effort to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. By keeping in touch with other people, we can give each other news and encouragement so that we don't feel lonely, sad, or isolated. These negative feelings can trigger stress and depression, as well as weaken your immune system. In addition, we can also exchange information regarding how to prevent virus and the latest situation outside the harm. The government and WHO hope that the replacement of this term can make it easier for the public to understand that the efforts that need to be made to prevent the spread of the coronavirus are maintaining a safe physical distance, not cutting off social contacts. Physical distancing is essentially quite effective in preventing the spread of the coronavirus. However, This certainly needs to be accompanied by other preventive efforts, such as diligently washing hands, cleaning the house properly, and strengthening endurance. From the explanation above, you can see that it's very important to carry out physical distancing during a pandemic like this. So, don't forget to continue to adhere to health protocols, wear masks, wash your hands, and physical distancing. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for your attention, and last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.